how to build this PC. Do take note, steps may vary depending on the case and specs that you use. First, install your processor. Make sure to be careful and not to bend the pins. Then, install the RAM with the correct orientation and slots. After that, install your NVMe SSD onto the motherboard. Next, connect the pump for your liquid cooler to the motherboard. Then, place the motherboard and cooler into the case and secure them with the screws provided. Screw down the radiator onto the case, followed by the power supply installation. After that, add on any storage components such as a hard disk, followed by some fun with cable management. After that, connect all the power cables. Next up, insert the graphic card into the top PCIe slot. Then slide in the sub-chassis into the primary chassis. Last but not least, don't forget to connect the front panel headers. And ta-da! The build is done! Try us at Bits and Bytes, building rigs, fulfilling dreams.